Hello friends. You already know today what I am going to unbox. Yes, it's a power bank which I wanted badly these days. Aspor 20,000 mAh power bank. It's really nice. First have a look at the box what they have mentioned. You see their Aspor logo here, and they mentioned all-in-one there. But what that means? Let's find out. And it has a good weight, and also this has 20,000 mAh. I bought this because my phone has 4,000 mAh, so I can charge my phone multiple times with one full charge of this power bank. And you should know we can't use fully 20,000 mAh because the power wastage might happen due to heating for some other ways. So we can't expect this has capacity of 20,000 mAh. Might it little bit low, not much low. And you see there is a digital display to see the remaining capacity of the device. And this has a capability for fast charging. Yeah, good. Let's see what's inside. Nice, there is a tray to hold the power back safely. Okay, let's take it out. Wow, nice, aha. There are not paperworks have given in the box. Okay, no worries. Just have a look at the power bank, then find out how it works. Okay, now let's take the power bank out of the tray first. Aha, nice. You see 3 ports to charge your phone, 2 USB ports and 1 Type-C port. And that USB-C port is also can be used for charging the power bank. And also there is a micro USB port also to charge the power bank. And they have given us a USB Type-C cable also. It is not much long, but still we can use it to charge our devices. Not only your mobile phone, but also your Bluetooth speaker, Bluetooth headset. Like those devices also can be charged with this power bank. And this support 22.5 watt max charging speed. And this has a digital indicator to see how much milliampere hours this power bank have. What do you think about this power bank? Put a comment below. And if you already have this, just tell us how you feel about this power bank in the comment section below. And that's all for today. See you in next video. Goodbye. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Hit the like button and share to reach more people who are looking for a power bank.